Hello and welcome back to my channel, and I am doing the Bicentennial Makers Collab Freedom Threads with E and the team, and it's Freedom Threads Collab, and I probably won't be on too long because I'm still sick and I don't want to be coughing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to make a waterfall with these stamps that I've cut out. We'll see if it works. I've been sick since Friday, so that's fun. Oops, and I probably should have started with the first one. Hopefully I'm doing it right as I remember. And I'm just bringing it up to the line because I scored it 6 times because I have 6 stamps I'm using. How's everybody doing? Did you have a good Memorial Day? I was in bed for 2 days and then I said I had to get up. But I'm feeling a little better, but I still have my nose is still congested and I still have a cough. Well, I guess I'm putting an extra one on here. I'm hoping this works. Then I need to cut this smaller. Well, we'll see. And I'm going to glue the last one onto my strip of paper. And I hope you can't hear the air conditioner running in the background. You know, I should have made my tab pull longer. So let me see what we can do about that. That's what's wrong. It's too. I cut this too short. So I'm just going to add a little bit. And I will put something in there. Originally was going to use this piece of paper, but I chose not to. I said, no, it's not going to work. It's too short. And I still made it too short. And I'm going to cut this. I didn't really get to work on this over the weekend like I wanted to. But things happen. So now I'm going to glue these sides down. Just those sides. I mean, I can make it smaller. Maybe I will trim it a little. My glue is running out. Well, hopefully that'll be enough. Then we can always decorate here. Kind of works. It's getting stuck. Maybe we can add these flowers in here. No, I don't want that. We can put a flag in there. I'm trying to find another piece of something, and I'm getting glue all over. We could put the Liberty on there, Liberty Bell. And I will be on Friday to finish this up. Well, it's going to have to be there. Maybe we can put something here. And I forgot to... Okay, so that's our waterfall. And maybe we'll put a belly band on here. But I'm thinking... Or we can make these tucks. I need to find my corner punch. And I really don't want to be sniffling or coughing. So I'm trying to be quick. Because I can feel a cough coming on. I'm going to put glue in the center of this and see if it's going to work. Okay. So we can make a pocket like that. What I'm going to do is, I think I might just tuck these little tags in here. We can do that. And then I can put little stuff on there. This is going to be a short video. I will be back Friday. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.